Hey, Burbank Water and Power customers, this is John Harper, Director of Marketing here at Green Home Systems. Thanks very much for speaking with us in the past about the possibility of getting solar for your home. Wanted to give you an alert and a heads up that Burbank Water and Power is getting ready to change their policies in regards to their net metering. They're going to be changing to net billing in 2025, which means you will not be getting as much credit for energy that you send back to the grid when you overproduce with your solar energy system. So right now, you get 100% value of any overproduction that you have. That means it's a full retail value of power that you would send back to the grid that you overproduce from a solar energy system. In 2025, that's going to be cut dramatically to where you're only be getting a fraction of the value of the power that you're sending back. So if you are planning on going solar, it'll be very advantageous for you to do so prior to 2025 because you'll be getting much more credit and it'll be a lot more financially advantageous for you. So we'd love to reconnect with you and talk about it a little bit further. Below is a link to schedule an appointment with us. Also below is our contact here at Green Home Systems that you can call, text, or email and ask a few more questions or get any more information that you need. Thanks so much. We look forward to hopefully continuing to work with you here at Green Home Systems.